Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 23 stocks including LTI Mindtree, Navin Fluorine, HCL Technologies, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. JNK India Limited, current market price rupees 655. Company announced a dividend of 30 paise per each share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 21st October 2024. LTI Mindtree Limited, LTIM, current market price rupees 6,370. Company announced a board meeting on 7th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Sprite Agro Limited, Tyne Agro, current market price rupees 13.8. Company announced a board meeting on 11th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is increase in authorized capital and bonus issue. Gopal Snacks Limited, Gopal, current market price rupees 408. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. HCL Technologies Limited, HCL Tech, current market price rupees 1,789. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring third interim dividend and announcing Q2. Premier Polyfilm Limited, Premier Pol, current market price rupees 1,789. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock and announcing Q2. Wealth First Portfolio Managers Limited, Wealth, current market price rupees 1,327. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. BEW Engineering Limited, BEW Ltd, current market price rupees 1,434. Company announced a board meeting on 15th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus. Navin Fluorine International Limited, current market price rupees 3,344. Company announced a board meeting on 23rd October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Nippon Life India AMC Limited, NAM India, current market price rupees 636. NAM India announced a board meeting on 24th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, ICICIGI, current market price rupees 2,100. Company announced a board meeting on 18th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is dividend and Q2. Ex date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 28th October 2024. Pondy Oxides and Chemicals Limited, POCL, current market price rupees 1,894. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Pondy Oxides and Chemicals, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex date and record date is fixed as 16th October 2024. Cropster Agro Limited, current market price rupees 579. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Cropster Agro Limited, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. And company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 300 shares of Cropster Agro Limited, your 300 shares convert to 3000 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Cropster Agro Limited. HEG Limited, HEG, current market price rupees 2,449. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of HEG Limited, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex date and record date fixed as 18th October 2024. Wonder Electricals Limited, WEL, current market price rupees 1,346. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Wonder Electricals Limited. Reliance Industries Limited, Reliance, current market price rupees 2,795. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Reliance Industries, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Reliance Industries. Solex Energy Limited, Solex, current market price rupees 1,579. Company announced the stock bonus in the ratio 1:4. That means if you have 400 shares of Solex Energy, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Solex Energy. Ind Hotels Company Limited, Ind Hotel, current market price rupees 685. Sharekhan recommends to buy Ind Hotel Company Limited for a target of rupees 774. Petronet LNG Limited, Petronet, current market price rupees 353. MK Global recommends to buy this share for a target of rupees 425 per share. Coal India Limited, Coal India, current market price rupees 492. MK Global recommends to buy this share for a target of rupees 600. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.